Okay, here we go. Good morning. We're going to fishing na, Shiv. Hey. Here, let's go. Cheers. Hey, let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Tururut. Tururut. Ayun na si classmate. Classmate, ang aga nyo. Yeah. Hello, classmate. Ay, sorry. Fishing ba to o food trip? Yung totoo.
May halong fishing.
Ito pala yung nahuli namin day 1. Kilaw na.
Ay, pangkilaw na tayo, puta nila.
Uy, baka makasuha dyan, Ben, ha?
Kapit ka dito.
At ito na.
Pata, 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 pata.
Akala marami na. Yes! Nagawa mo. So cute. Stretching yarn.
Kailangan mo, Flies. Nagsa-sunbathing. Nakataas.
Sunbathing. Oh, guys.